Good morning, welcome back to my channel, Nick's Wildlife Adventures. This morning I'm at Thurrock Thameside Nature Reserve, which is managed by the Essex Wildlife Trust. I thought I'd just come over for a few hours, go and check out the hide, see what birds we can see over there, and if the weather improves a bit later I'm going to head over to the marsh, and then I'm going to go and feed my fox. Well, the fox from last year that I was photographing, that I started to photograph. So yeah, the forecast is looking a bit better this afternoon, but they always get it wrong, didn't they? So yeah, that's the plan anyway. And I've just bought some dog food, what I was feeding the fox last year. So yeah, I'm hoping to see some activity, but like I say, it depends on the weather this afternoon. So yeah, just for now I'm going to head up to the hide at Thameside, sitting there for a bit, see what we can see. Cheers guys. So there's a view of the Thameside Nature Reserve Visitor Centre. Nice cafe in there. It's good for kids. It's a nice park over for kids. It's good for walking, if you like your walking. And views over the River Thames as well. So I think I've done a vlog on this before, my local patch, Thameside Nature Reserve. Yeah, it's nice in the summer. Good for families, like I say, good for walking. A couple of places a bit hilly, but they're doable. It's wheelchair friendly. Yeah, it's a landfill site where it was a few years ago. It was opened by Sir David Attenborough. I think it's been here a good 8-10 years, I suppose, something like that. Oh yeah, I'm going to head down to the hide anyway now. Tide's on its way out, so it's on the ebb, so I might get some widely birds down there. Yeah, it's just a general sort of local mooch today really. Just work the rabbit around. Oh yeah, I'm hoping the weather's going to improve later. So I'm on my 2 days off now from work, so I can't see really know I'd like to be out doing vlogs for you guys to watch, which I hope you're enjoying watching. If you do, let me know in the comments below. As you can probably see, it's a bit grey and overcast at the moment. There's a bit of rain in the air. I'm hoping it's going to clear up later. Yeah, I'm in the hide now. So I've vlogged this before a few times, I think. I like it this time of year because you've got that blossom on these hawthorn berries, trees, bushes, and sometimes you get different bird species sitting on top. I mean, greenfinch and goldfinch, blue tits. There's a greenfinch down there at the moment. Yeah, it makes for a nice photograph. So yeah, that's what the aim is this morning. Try and get some shots on these hawthorn berries on that on the blossom. But yeah, I'm gonna try for that later. Now, really. Yeah, it's a bit overcast and grey, but it's not bad light really for photography. There's a few wading birds out there. Can't quite see where they are at the moment, they're too far away. Like I say, the tide is on the way out now. So yeah, let's give it a little while here, see what we can see. So there are some greenfinch on the feeders just down there at the moment. Yeah, I don't really like photographing birds on feeders. I like to get them in their natural environment. Out there on the mud flat, we've got curlew, There was a pair, actually. One was calling a second ago. I've got some images anyway, I'll put those up for you to look at. The curlew. I've had dunnocks on the feeders, a robin, and some long-tailed tits as well. So I've got some images of those and I'll put those up in the gallery for you to look at. Apart from that, it's pretty quiet at the moment. There's a few shield ducks out there. That's about it at the moment. Yeah, so that went. So that was a dunnock. Oh yeah, it's not too bad weather-wise. Just hoping this cloud's gonna disappear a bit later. That is what it is, though, isn't it? Yes, weather's improving slightly. Look, there's nice blue sky up there. Getting a few more birds coming in onto the feeders. Blue tits, great tits. There's a chaffinch down there at the moment. No, not chaffinch, a greenfinch. Sorry. So yeah, it's starting to improve a little bit, and I've got some images which I'll put up in the gallery for you to look at later. Oh yeah, it's always worth waiting about. I mean, I think I've been here just over an hour, and it was really quiet to start off with, but yeah, it's getting a little bit more busier with bird life now. So there's a robin keeps coming down on the feeder. Like I say, I can see the greenfinch on there at the moment. Yeah, I'll give it a little bit longer, and then I might go for a wander. I'm going to try something in a minute. I'm going to set my phone up just on my tripod opposite the bird feeders and see what footage I can get. It all depends on the distance, so from where I'm sitting to the feeders. Hopefully my Bluetooth will work. So yeah, I'm going to go and set it up down there in a sec, see what I can get. So, got some nice footage down there on the bird feeders. So I set my phone up right next to it because I've got a Bluetooth on my phone. The tripod came with this, which is quite handy. So, yeah, the distance was alright. So I managed to get greenfinch on there, long-tailed tits, blue tit. Oh no, not blue tits, great tits. But I'll put those up in a little video for you later to look at. Yeah, it's one way of getting close to bird life without disturbing it. It took a while for the birds to get used to it because it's something different that's been put there. But after a few minutes, they were coming quite frequent. Yeah, the only bird I didn't get was a robin. So, and then halfway through recording, my phone rang. But that's the only problem when you got one of these. So I need to get myself something else, another phone maybe, and so I can do the recording just in case the phone rings. Oh yeah, I'll put a little video up of that later.